So students, in your page number 71, where we have stopped in the previous class, in page number 71, fifth bit, second one, we have completed. Okay, so let us see from fifth bit, what is that? Write the following numbers in expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay, so we have completed up to B. So let's see from C in this class. Okay, 8940, 8940. So you have to expand this one. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. No, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. No, so 8,000. 8,000. 9 is in which place? 100 place. No, 900. 8,900. Next one is what? 40. No, so 4 tens plus 0 ones. In ones place nothing is there means it will be 0. No, so nothing is there means 0 ones, because in ones place only 0 is there. So that's why we have to write 0 ones. So once again understand, 8 is in thousands place, 8,000. 9 is in 100 place, plus 9 in hundreds place, so 900, plus 4 in tens place, 4 tens. 0 in ones place, 0 ones. Completed. No, next one, 96571, 96,571. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 9 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 710 plus 1 ones. See here, 9 10,000, 9 10,000. No, 9 is in 10,000s place. No, so this is thousands. Okay, 9 10,000s plus 6 is in thousands place means 6,000s. Okay, 5 is in hundreds place. No, plus 5 hundreds. Okay, plus 7 is in tens place. No, 7 tens, plus 1 is in ones place. No, 1 ones. So this is how you have to expand. Very easy. You have to divide them, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s in that places, and you have to write 9 is in which place? 10,000s place, 9 10,000s. 6 is in which place? Thousands place, 6,000s. 5 is in which place? Hundreds place, 500s. 7 is in which place? Tens place, 7 tens. 1 is in which place? Ones place, 1 ones. Like that you have to write. Okay, so last one, D we have completed. No, E, 40,002. 40,002. This is your question. How to expand this? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. This is 10,000s place. Okay, how many digit numbers? 5 digit number. Okay, so you will have up to 10,000. So 4 is in which place? 10,000s place. 4 10,000s plus 0,000s plus 0 is in which place? Hundreds. 0 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 2 is in ones place, no? 2 ones. So this is the expanded form for this number. 4 in 10,000s place, no? 4 10,000s. 0 in thousands place, 0 thousands. 0 in hundreds place, 0 hundreds. 0 in tens place, 0 tens. Plus 2 is in ones place, no? 2 ones. If you don't write this also, it's no problem. 0 hundreds, 0 thousands, 0 tens. 0 hundreds means what? 0 into 100, no? 0 thousands, 0 hundreds means 0 into 100. So you will automatically get 0. This is also 0 tens, anything multiplied with 0 you will get 0. So this one also 0 into 1000. 0 thousands means 0 into 1000. This is also 0. 0 0 0. If you don't write that also, it's no problem. For your understanding I am writing that. Okay. So this is your fifth bit is completed. Okay. So let us continue with the next bit. So let us continue with our sixth bit. What is that? In your page number 72. 72, page number 6. Draw the beads for the given numbers. For the given numbers. Okay, you have to draw the number of beads for the given number. Okay. So first one is the example. First one is what? How many rods are there? 5 rods are there up to 10,000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rods. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10,000s. Okay. 10,000, no? So is there any bead here? No. You have to keep 0. Any bead in tens place? 0. Any bead in hundreds place? 0. Okay. There is a purple color bead in 10,000s place, no? So that one I have kept here. So look at the example A. Okay. No bead is there in ones place. No, nothing is there in tens place. Nothing is there in hundreds place. Nothing is there in thousands place also. But only one bead is there in which place? 10,000s place. So I kept one. How many number of beads are there in that rod? Write that number below that rod only. Okay. So under this only I am writing now. I am writing anywhere. Am I writing anywhere else? No. So in 10,000s rod I am having one bead. So I wrote it below that rod only. Okay. So in thousands rod there is nothing. So I kept 0 below. So like that you have to write. So what is the number we have represented here? That number is 10,000. This is 10,000. So that's why only one bead is there in 10,000s place. Like that. Count the number of beads, write it below. Count the number of beads, write it below. Count the number of beads, write it below. So, but this is the thing here. If it is asked how, if he has given some number and if he has given draw the beads, you have to do what? You have to see the below numbers. You have to see the below numbers and you have to draw the beads. If he is asking what? If he has here, he has given beads and he is asking, no, here what he has given the numbers. He is asking to draw the beads. So see the below any number, how many numbers of beads there in that respective rod you have to draw. Okay. So here only one is there now. We have drawn one. Okay. Here 0 is there. Nothing we have drawn. Nothing we have drawn. Nothing. Nothing. So he said draw the beads for the given numbers. We have to see whether which rod contains how many number of beads. So here one is there, no, we have drawn one, remaining all are 0. Okay, this is completed. If it is reverse, here he said draw the beads, he has given the number. Okay, so if he has given the beads and if he has said to draw the number, I am telling the reverse one. So here you don't know the number, just he has given 2, 3, 4, here 6. This is not related to this, I am saying. So he has given beads. For example, he has given beads. He is saying to find out the number. Just say what he will do. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 numbers in 6 number of beads in ones place. No, draw 6. Write 6. Here in tens place, how many are there? 1 2 3 4. Write 4. In hundreds place, 1 2 3 3. In thousands place, 2. In 1. What is the final number you got? 12,346. But here he has not given the number of beads. Okay, he has given the number and he said to draw the number of beads. That's why you have to read the heading very carefully. Okay, you have to read the heading very carefully. He has given the number, not the beads. Don't confuse. Okay, so first one we have completed. No, what is that? We are having 5 number of rods. Actually he gave the number 10,000. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So 0 number of beads. So nothing we have drawn, nothing we have drawn, nothing we have drawn, nothing we have drawn. But here 1 is there. No, we have to draw 1 in 10,000s place. Like that we have to see the number and draw the number of beads. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, first you have to read the heading very carefully. That is very very important, or else you will be getting confused. Okay, I am always insisting you to read the heading very carefully. Many times I am stressing because heading says what you have to do. If you don't know what you have to do, you will be always mistaken. Okay, so let's see the second one. Second one is what? So he has given a number 36,451. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, thousands place, and here this is 10,000s place. No, 5 digits means 5 rods you have to take. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits, 5 rods I have taken. So in ones place, how many beads I have to draw? Here only 1 is there. No, I have to draw only 1. In tens place, how many beads we have to draw? Here it is 5. So you have to draw 5 beads. So in hundreds place, 4 is there. No, you have to draw 4. In thousands place, here it is 6. So we have to draw 6 beads here. In thousands, in 10,000s, here it is 3. The number is the number itself is saying how many beads you have to draw. So 1 is in ones place. This is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is in number system. No, in abacus also, how many number of beads are there? How much number is there? That many numbers you have to draw in that respective. Here it is ones place. No, 1 is in ones place. No, in ones rod you have to draw 1 bead. Here 5 is in tens place. No, in tens place, in tens rod you have to draw 5 beads. Here 4 is in hundreds place. No, in hundreds rod you have to draw 4 beads. Here 6 is in thousands place. No, so in thousands rod you have to draw 6 beads. Here 3 is in 10,000s place. No, so here in 10,000s rod you have to draw how many beads? 3 beads. Like that you have to check how many number of digits are there. The number of digits equal to number of rods. Here 5 digits are there. No, you have to draw 5 rods. Okay, up to 10,000. So we have represented this 36,451 in abacus form. Okay, so like that you have to draw beads. So next one we shall see. Understood now how to do? See the number and draw the beads. Okay, so see the number he gave is 9,075. How many digits? 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 4 digits. up to thousands place it is there. So 4 digits. How many rods you have to draw? 4 rods. 1 2 3 4 completed. 4 rods completed. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, he gave like this, no? 9075. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so above this only you will have thousands rod, above hundreds only you will have hundreds rod, above tens place only you will have tens rod, above 5 only you will have ones rod. Okay, so this is ones place, no? In ones place how many beads you have to draw? Here it is 5, no? How many beads you have to draw? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here in ones place you are having 5, no? So you have to draw 5 beads in ones rod. Here in tens place you are having 7, no? So you have to draw 7 beads. In which rod? You have to draw it in which rod? Hundreds rod or tens rod? 7 is in which place? Tens place, no? So you have to draw 7 beads in tens rod only. So here in hundreds place 0 is there. You should not draw anything. You have to keep it empty. Okay. In thousands place you are having 9, no? For this number this is thousands place. In thousands place you are having 9. So in thousands place you have to draw, in thousands rod, sorry, you have to draw 9 beads. Okay, so this is the representation of the given number 9075 in the abacus form. Okay, you have to look it carefully. Okay, very easy. See the number in which place it is there. Suppose 5 is in ones place, no? So I have to draw how many beads in ones place, in ones rod? 5. Okay, like that you have to check. So if you see 2-3 problems, you can understand what you have to do. So let's continue with D. So the number he gave is 75250. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So in your textbook only he gave the number and he has drawn the rods also, no? So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit number, no? Ones place. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay. Under 10,000 rod he is writing 7 means what? What? This 10,000, under 10,000 rod he is writing 7. He wrote 7, no, in your textbook. D problem. Means in 10,000s place you have to draw 7 beads. Under this 1000 rod he has given 5, no? Means in thousands rod you have to draw 5 beads. That's what it means. Under that rod only he gave the number. So that many beads you have to draw in that rod. Okay. So let us see. In ones place 0 is there. So you have to draw nothing. You should not draw anything. Okay. In tens place, under tens place what he has given? 5. For your understanding I wrote this all ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Under tens rod he has given 5, no? So you have to draw 5 beads. 5. Okay. Under hundreds rod which number is there? 2. You have to draw 2 here, 2 beads. Under thousands place you are having 5, no? 1 2 3 4 5. You have to draw 5 beads. Under 10,000s place 7 is there, no? Under 10,000s rod you are having 7. So you have to draw 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this number is 75,250. We have represented the number in abacus form. Okay. Next one is he gave like this. ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no? So under thousands place 8 is there. Under hundreds rod it is 9. Under tens rod it is 5. Under ones rod it is 7. So what you have to do? So under ones rod 7 is there, no? So you have to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. Okay. Under tens rod what you are having? 5, no? So you have to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under hundreds rod you are having 9 number. Means you have to draw 9 beads in hundreds rod. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9. Under thousands rod you are having 8. So you have to draw 8 beads in the thousands rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the final number. What is this number? 8957. We have represented this one in abacus form. Okay. So next one. Have completed up to E, no? Up to E we have completed. Next F. Okay. F. What is there? He has given abacus like this. How many rods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rods are there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Under this, what he has given? Under ones place, he has given 9. Under tens place, he gave 0. Under hundreds place, he gave 8. Under thousands place, he gave 2. Under 10,000s place, he has given 3, no? So what you have to do? Under ones rod, which number is there? 9. So you have to draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones rod. Okay. Under tens rod, which number is there? 0. You have to draw nothing. You should not draw anything. Okay. Under hundreds rod, you are having 8 number, no? So what you have to do? You have to draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Under thousands rod, it is 2. So you have to draw 2 beads.